Hi, I'm Ravi Handa, founder of the website handagafunda.com. In this series of videos, what we are going to do is we are going to discuss previous year questions from the CAT exam. And if you're planning to prepare for CAT with just few weeks to go, have a look at our crash course on this particular link.
Hi everyone, I'm Ravi Handa, founder of the website handagafunda.com. Welcome to another solved example on odd one out. In this, we are given 5 sentences and you have to figure out the sentence which does not fit, which means you have to find out the sentence which does not form a coherent short paragraph. Let's have a look at these statements. Much has been recently discovered about the development of songs in birds. Some species are restricted to a single song learned by all individuals, others have a range of songs. So 1 and 2 are talking about a bird song, they look like a simple progression, and 1 looks like a good introduction point. The most important auditory stimuli for the birds are the sounds of other birds. So songs are a specific case. Generally, songs are the more or the sounds are the more generic version of the thing. So if you have to use three should come before songs are introduced. So three can also serve as an introduction point, but doesn't really look like that. I'm not very happy with three. For all bird species, there is a prescribed path to development of the final song. So again, we are getting into more details of how the bird song is developed. A bird begins with the subsong, passes through plastic song, and it achieves the species song. So again, the entire journey of the bird song is given in 4 and 5. I think 1, 2, 4, 5 is the coherent paragraph because all 4 of these are talking about bird songs, how it is developed, what all we know about it, and how some species have single songs and multiple songs and all that, making statement number 3 as the odd one out. This was probably the simpler question in the odd one out series. Hope you learned something from this. Thank you.
Hope you like this video and learned something from it. To learn more, please check out our crash course on this link. And remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We will be releasing many such videos in the near future. Thank you.